Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here we're offering for sale. Well, first I'll just let you know that we're going to do a quick walk around video tour of this truck. We're offering for sale this gorgeous 2013 Toyota Tacoma SR5 pre-runner TRD Off-Road with 40,000 original miles and one owner here in California since new. An absolute pristine truck. Give you a quick little walk around tour. It's a quick note. The only thing aftermarket on it is the upgraded newer generation wheels from Toyota. But look at this, there's not even a dent on it anywhere, a scratch. Super clean. Nice tires, Goodyear Wranglers, knee deep in rubber. All the maintenance is all up to date. Here's the interior, non-smoker, no stains, no rips, no tears, and no funny smells. Rear diff locker, your rear power, traction. It's got a backup cam, auxiliary, headliner. I also took a bunch of pictures that are on my website as well. This is just a quick little walk around tour. Tell you how just clean it is all the way around. It's got a locking tunnel cover. That up for you. Clean bed. Here's your power port. Clean. I took pictures underneath, but here's a little quick underneath video. No rust, no nothing. California owned, one owner since new, and once again 40,000 original miles. Grab the key for you. Fires right up. Runs and drives, no issues. Really super clean truck. Was super low, 40,000 miles. We offer competitive financing. Check us out online. CARFAX reports there too to look at. All services done at the dealer. Just a gorgeous truck that you'd hard to find anywhere, and much less pricey than a new one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.